Hello and welcome to Colwich Junction. As ever, thanks very much for taking the time out of your day to stop by and see what's been happening here on the layout. Well, since the last video, I've taken delivery of my first purchase from Revolution Trains, and here she is. It's the wonderful inspection coach, Caroline. I missed out on the initial launch. I could have really done with the green network rail version to fit in with the layout, but there weren't any left, so I went with the BR Blue, because who doesn't love a bit of BR Blue? In line with other manufacturers, the packaging for the coach is very, very good indeed. Not massive, not overly huge, but nicely packaged with a nice information leaflet and a few detailing parts which, believe it or not, can be added. I mean, when you look at the photographs here, you can see what a beautifully detailed model it is, inside and out. So yeah, very, very impressed so far. There are no retaining screws holding the body to the chassis, so careful removal is required with a few pieces of card slotted in between the chassis and the body. So yeah, it's fairly straightforward to give you access to the interior, which is wonderfully detailed, as you can see from these next few shots, the kitchen included. The fitting of a 21-pin decoder is fairly straightforward, with it being fitted into the roof. The model features an extensive lighting suite with interior lights you can see here. It has spotlights above the driving cab at both ends and a head code box. And also a nice feature is some step lighting. Problem for me arose when I started to run the carriage. The flicker was horrendous. I just couldn't sort it, even on clean track. So I ended up having to get a stay alive unit, which when added, and everything given a thorough clean, seems to have solved the problem. So I'm very happy with it now, and yeah, it's almost faultless now. I was conscious that the pristine carriage looked a bit too pristine. I wouldn't say that it looked plasticky. The roof, for me, wasn't great. The detail on it's fine. It just needed a bit of dirt on it. It needed something to bring out the detailing. And as you can see here from the bogies and the chassis and the ends, which I concentrated on, just with a bit of rail match, sleeper grime, and a few weathering powders from the Tamiya range, I think, you know, it really does highlight some of the great detail on this model, and perhaps you can start to understand why it would be such an expensive item compared with some of the other carriages on offer these days. Yeah, so the roof, I haven't shown it here. I just gave the roof a quick blast over with roof dirt just to take that plasticky look away from it, and I'm really pleased with the way that it's turned out. This particular train is floored prototypically. I'm sure there are people out there that would be screaming that at the video, but I think it looks and sounds great running around the layout. Moving forward, Caroline probably needs populating with some figures, so I'm going to keep my eyes peeled to see if there are any future releases. I've heard there might be a pack being done, but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, very happy. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I wouldn't say it's a review. I don't do reviews. There's plenty out there on YouTube that are way better than anything I could do. But yeah, I just thought that this one, being as it's the first time I bought anything from Revolution, was worth a little bit of a video. Yeah, it wasn't perfect out the box, but with a little bit of work, a little bit of weathering, it's good. So thanks for watching. See you next time.